for your shorty. It's just me, I'm trying to start a party. Say my love for you.
Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing the simplest glam holiday look, very last minute, that you've ever seen in your entire life. So basically, I already have a full face of makeup on. This has been on for almost 12 hours and she's actually holding up really good, thanks to the Fenty Beauty foundation, of course. I just decided I was going to do this randomly, so that's what we're doing. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and let's get started. First of all, I want to apologize for the noise. I feel like I have to say that in every video, but my siblings are here. I don't have a door. Dilemma. But anyways, this is old makeup on my face, but I just like figured that if you guys like already did a look like this and then you just want to add a pop, here's a very easy way to do it. So basically, you're gonna take your eyeliner. Yes, I already have wings on, but I want them to be a little more dramatic, like bigger. So I'm just going to thicken them. Okay, so now that my eyeliner is thicker, I'm just going to go in with my Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner. You could go in with any color of loose glitter. I was gonna do red, but I decided that I didn't want to. But you're basically just gonna go over top of the black with this, and the black is just kind of like supposed to be for like any spots where you don't have, like the glitter can be seen through. You just want to have a base down. Okay, so this is what the glitter line looks like. I like this one better, personally. They need to dry a little bit more, but while they dry, I'm going to get my lashes ready. These are the House of Sparklezuk lashes in the style Mua. They're very pretty. And this is just gonna kind of amp up your look even more a little bit. I mean, like, you don't have to wear lashes with a look like this, but I prefer them. So I'm just going to get my lashes ready, like put some lash glue on them, let it start getting tacky while I wait for my liner to finish drying. In the meantime, how is everybody? I cannot believe it's basically Christmas time. Like it doesn't feel like Christmas to me at all. Like I don't feel like I'm on Christmas break. Like it doesn't feel like Christmas at all. And that's honestly so sad because Christmas is my favorite time of the year. But I feel like 2019 was just a huge mix of emotions for me, like of good and bad things. That like the year went seriously crazy fast. And I just like, I can't comprehend the fact that it's Christmas. Also, I did my nails by myself. Look how cute they are. I'm gonna order some butterfly, like glitters. And I'm also gonna order some already shaped coffin acrylics off of Amazon so that I can like have them coffin shaped because they're so hard to shape them yourself. Okay, so this is the lashes on, and you can just like see that pop of glitter. It's so pretty. But you could go in with a red lip, but I just don't do red lips personally, so I'm gonna stick with nudes. Of course, I think a super nude glossy lip will look gorgeous with this look. So I'm going in with the ColourPop Little One Lippy Pencil, the Jeffree Star Can't Relate liquid lipstick, and then the Anastasia Undressed lip gloss. I've not used this concoction before, but literally look at my lip pencil. She is flat as fuck. This is a gorgeous nude shade. That is so pretty. It's not too over the top for the holidays, but it's just a little pop on your like everyday Christmassy look. Like this is definitely something I would wear on Christmas or to a Christmas dinner. Like the lashes might be a little too much for some of you, but you can dye them down, or you could go for a red lip if you wanted to, or you don't have to use a lip at all, or like there's just so many options. And look how pretty my highlight is. This is an Ofra highlighter in one of the face palettes. I love Ofra highlighters. I think they're stunning. Like they're so blinding. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this super random quick little like fix on any holiday makeup look. Like you can just like add a glitter wing, which I think looks stunning, and a festive lip. You can do a red lip, a nude lip, a matte lip, a glossy lip, no lip, like anything. But yeah, I just think it's a super cute little look. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. I hope you guys have an amazing Christmas and a happy new year. I should definitely post before New Year's. I just want to say that just in case. We're almost to 1K, which is mind-boggling. That's so crazy to me. But I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.